How to enable dark mode on the RedNote app. Alright, first thing first, open the RedNote app on your device. Once the app is open, tap on the Me tab in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the setting menu. Look for the general setting, tap on it. General setting is opened. Here's the fun part. Under the display section, you will find an option for dark mode. Tap on it. Simply toggle the switch to the right and voila, dark mode is activated. The toggle switch is flipped and the app transition to dark mode. If your device already has a system-wide dark mode enabled, you can also set the RedNote app to follow that setting by selecting the system default option. And that's it. You are all set to enjoy RedNote in dark mode. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.